Hey guys, a very good afternoon and welcome to our channel. So there is a new notice by KEAM 2021 that is for the 85% quota Kerala students of NEET UG 2021. So they have, as I have already released a video that invited the registration of applicants of NEET UG. Now KEAM has released a new notice that is from 18th of November till 24th November 5 pm. You need to update your NEET UG 2021 result so that they can create a provisional merit list of the state. So candidates who have appeared in NEET UG 2021 and they want to take admission for MBBS, BDS, Ayurveda, Homeopathy, Siddha and Unani and other allied courses like BSc Honours Agriculture, Forestry or Veterinary Science or Fishery can go and visit the website KEM and log in into their candidate portal using their application number and the password or DOB whatever they ask for, and this facility will be open only till 24th of November 5 pm. Now coming up to the process of how you need to submit your NEET result 2021. First of all, you need to visit the website www.cwe.kerala.government.in. On visiting the website, you have to click on KEAM 2021 candidate portal. On clicking onto that option, you basically earlier when you registered yourself for KEAM 2021 you were provided with a password and application number, right? So there you have to write down your application number and password and enter into the portal. Get into the home page of that candidate portal. As soon as you get into the home page, click on the NEET result submission link. As soon as you click onto it, you need to provide your NEET UG 2021 roll number, then application number, and the third thing is date of birth. As soon as you provide these three things, automatically your scorecard will appear. Then you need to verify whether the candidate name of father and mother, your NEET UG result, other details like your score, NEET percentile and all India rank for counselling are correct or not. If it's correct, then click on verified and submit button. As soon as you click on verified and submit button, your this process of submission of NEET result report is completed. Now take out the printout of NEET result submission report and keep it for candidates' future use. Now one thing that they should remember, you need to complete this NEET result submission process within 24th of November. It is very necessary. Only then your name will be considered while preparing the merit list of Kerala. Okay, so go and check it out. Other than that, a helpline number has been also given in the notice. You can check out this complete notification in my Telegram channel. The link of my Telegram channel is given in the description box, so you can check out. For further queries, you can comment in the comment box below, and do subscribe the channel for further NEET and ICAR related videos. Thank you.